is the Cricut Joy Xtra. I love how small it is. I don't think I see myself crafting outside of my home, but if I had to, I can definitely take this because it's so small, and I really like how quiet it is. I did run it through just a couple times and it's pretty quiet. I want to say it's the most quiet machine that I have, and that was really important to me in the beginning when my son was a baby. I wanted to craft while he was napping and things like that, but all my machines were so loud. But this one is a good one if you do have a napping baby or if you're crafting at night when people are sleeping. This one is definitely pretty quiet. I don't necessarily craft too many like fancy things. I don't really etch things or emboss things. I mean, sometimes I do, but definitely this one, the stuff that you want to do that's like more basic, is it's able to do all the basic things, all the paper flowers, card making, and you could technically do like stickers, vinyls, all of that. It's just you don't have like the fancy stuff that some of the machines do have. And honestly, if you are just making paper flowers, you probably don't need the fancy things. But obviously the ones that I do have the Maker 4 and the Maker 3. I had the Explorer before, and all of them do pretty well. It's just this one is so budget friendly and it's compact and it's really quiet. So that's probably one of my favorite things. So yeah, I'll link it for you guys below the video and you guys could check it out. If you ever have any questions on trying to figure out what machine you want and what fits best for you, you can always email me, DM me, message me, and I'll try my best to answer your questions on what machine probably fits best for you. If you are just making paper flowers as a hobby, this one will definitely be the perfect one, and you can find it on pretty good deals, especially during the holidays, so definitely check it out. Okay, Google, turn on the living room lamp. Sure, turning the living room lamp on. I'm getting ready to head out to a workshop that I'm taking as a student today. I'm going to be taking a jewelry making workshop where I think we're going to make a ring. I think you get choices, but I think I'm going to make a silver ring today. We're going to be heading to Irvine at the Softlin Studio. I think that's what it's called. We did a workshop there for the stained glass workshop a couple months ago and it was so much fun. We're going back there to do the jewelry making workshop. They also have like tufting, candle making. They have a bunch of different classes that are so much fun, but today we're going to be doing the ring and I'm going to be taking you guys with me. had a crazy busy month making paper flowers for the San Diego Natural History Museum. It's out in Balboa Park in San Diego. I'm so excited because my flowers are going to be on one of their walls in their lobby. They're going through renovations right now, so we won't be able to see it fully up until maybe next year, but I'll be sharing it with you guys once it's officially up. I'm going to finish packing up. I just need to be careful with the cactus and the little spikes and the pine needles as well. But once it's officially done and installed, it's actually getting installed into like a shadow box. So it's gonna look similar to this wall. So luckily they won't get like ruined. I just need to make sure when I pack it up, it'll look clean and nice and safe. So yeah, I'm gonna finish packing up and I'm actually hand delivering them tomorrow. So I finally got to upgrade my bedding thanks to Harbor House. Thank you so much for sending me this. I love this quilt. It's a linen quilt and it comes with like the pillow covers and the duvet, and it's so nice. It feels so nice. I had my old one for years, I think even before I had my son. So it was time, and I think it was the perfect treat for the holidays to have new bedding. I'll link it for you guys below the video, so make sure you check it out. I'm heading over to Blick Art Materials in Pasadena today. They invited me to do some holiday shopping there, and I'll probably be shopping for my son, for my friends and family, and of course I'm going to be doing some shopping for myself. I love getting my art supplies from their store. I usually get like my paints, my watercolor paints, and my pan pastels, my brushes as well from there. So I'll probably be like stocking up on some of the stuff. They're also giving me a discount code, so if you are shopping in their stores, make sure you use my code Sarah, K Sarah without an H. We'll also walk over to King Taco because I think it's nearby there. So yeah, we're gonna make a whole day out of it to go out to Pasadena, and I'll take you guys with me.